Hey there Patreons, how are you going? I just wanted to do a really quick video today. I spoke to one of you guys, Nigel, actually about how you navigate around the Patreon site to find exactly what it is you need. As I'm pretty new to this, I know we're coming up to a year, but I'm still pretty new to this, and I had assumed, stupidly, that it was going to be pretty easy to navigate around as I'd been quite diligent with the tags on all the videos. But it turns out I was maybe a bit too diligent with the tags on the videos, and I'd put lots of tags on everything. I was trying to make it as easy to find as possible, but I think I might have not helped. So I just wanted to make a quick video here just to show you exactly how to get around the system. So if we have a look at the screen, bingo, you can see here that I've changed things around a little bit. So from now on I'm going to do, what am I going to do? If I post, if I make a post with a video about learning a song, I'm going to call it Song Lesson. If I post a video that's only for Patreon here, which is basically for the silver and gold members, I will call it Patreon Only Lesson. If I've got any announcements to make about the Patreon channel or whatever, I'm going to call it Patreon News. If there's a gear demo, I'm going to call it cunningly a gear demo. And I guess there's a bunch of other tags that you can see here on the screen. So we've got music theory, Beatles, acoustic guitar, soloing lesson, solo techniques. I've got to fix that up a little bit. I've got two tags there for the same thing basically. But I'm going to try and narrow it down. I've already spent a couple of hours on this today, so that it's just a bit clearer, and you're able to then basically just like click gear demo, for example, and here we are. Here's all the gear demo posts. Okay, obviously sometimes I post more than one video on a post when I'm sort of feeling like I'm knocking out a bunch of videos all at the same time. So you can see that is how it's going to work. As always, I really want to make this as easy for you to find the stuff that you need to help you learn the guitar. I don't want you spending time going around this site going, oh, I can't find the things I need. You know, that's just frustrating when you could be actually sitting and practicing or doing whatever you need to do. Sorry, text, timing, it's everything. So I hope that helps. If you have any other suggestions or any other grumbles about how this works and you want me to try and make it work better, just let me know. It's absolutely no problem for me to have a bit of a jiggle around with it. Like I say, it's been a learning experience for me too. So do just get in touch at simon@simonmorel.com, or you can send me a message on the platform I Understand. It's just I've never been on your side of the fence, if you know what I mean. So I don't know what you see, but I'm pretty sure that all this stuff is what you see. So there we go. I'll see you later. Thanks again for supporting. I really do appreciate it. Again, if you have any questions or anything at all, just get in touch. I'll see you later. Bye for now. Bye bye.